In this short video, I'm going to show you how to strike through text in Google Docs. So there have been a lot of questions on this recently, so I just wanted to show how to do this. If you want to strike through text in Google Docs, you'll notice that it is not an option in the toolbar. What you actually have to do is go up into the Format menu and select Text, and here you will find the strike through option. So I'm going to select that, and then when I type, you will notice my text has this strike through right in the middle. There's also a keyboard shortcut. It's Alt-Shift-5. So if I highlight this, Alt-Shift-5, it's going to disappear. Alt-Shift-5, and it's back on. So that is how to strike through text in Google Docs. That is all for this video. As always, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or content suggestions, just let me know in the comments, and I'll try my best to answer everyone.